Hello, welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name is David Hoffman, and we're going to do a walkthrough of our Boston Whaler 270 Vantage, the 2019 model. As you can see right away, this boat is equipped with twin 250 Mercury Verados in the white optional paint color. The hull is white also with the red striping. As you look into the cockpit area here, we have a great seating arrangement. You can have this down when you're out with the family, and when you're ready to fish, the seat goes away very easily. Also back here, right underneath this storage area, is all your components, batteries, pumps, very easy to work on. As we move forward, we have a nice little galley with the stove, refrigerator, and the sink. This seat combination here is award-winning by Boston Whaler. You have many positions. You can put this all the way down, lean up here. You have a nice area here to stretch your legs out. You have storage underneath the seat here, and also this will come up with a backrest so you could have either way for your back. On the port side, you have your head compartment. Lots of room, nice teak floor, and you also have a sink to wash up with. As we move over to the helm, we have a nice large Raymarine screen for your GPS, chart, and sonar. You have Vessel View by Mercury, your Raymarine VHF radio, Fusion stereo, you have your active trim, and you also have your Lenco trim tabs right here. This boat is equipped with joystick piloting, which is right here. As you move forward, you have lots of space for your family. Lots of storage here as well. This storage will come all the way back underneath the helm. This boat is equipped with the anchor and windlass. And you also have the shower on the bow and also at the stern. You have a nice large hard top on this boat as well for plenty of shading, along with rod holders on it. This is our 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. If you'd like to see this or any other, come on down to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.